Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Fine motor milestones. Hand regard appears by 3 to 5 months. Bidextrous approach is seen by 4 months and unidextrous approach by 6 months. Ulnar grasp is seen in 6 months and radial grasp is seen in 8 to 9 months. Pincer grasp, immature pincer grasp is seen in 9 months. Immature pincer grasp is crossing over the thumb with the fingers is seen in 9 months and mature pincer grasp is seen in 12 months. Transfer of objects from one hand to another hand is seen in 6 months. Plays a game by 1 year of age. Tower of 2 cubes by 15 months of age. Tower of 3 cubes by 18 months of age. Tower of 6 cubes by 2 years of age. And tower of 9 cubes by 3 years of age. Copies a line by 2 years of age. Copies a square or square is by 3 years of age. Copies a plus by 4 years of age. Copies a triangle by 5 years of age. So copies a line by 2 years of age, copies a circle by 3 years of age, copies a plus by 4 years of age, copies a square or rectangle by 4.5 years of age, and copies a triangle by 5 years of age, copies a hexagon by hex has 6 sides, so hexagon by 6 years of age, copies a rhomboid by 7 years of age, copies a cylinder by 9 years of age, copies a bridge with blocks by 3 years of age, and copies a gate with blocks by 5 years of age. Each with cup or spoon with spilling. Cup or drinks with cup or spoon with spilling in 12 months of age. Drinks or eats with cup without spilling by 15 months of age. Eats with spoon without spilling by 18 months of age. Turns each page singly by 2 years of age. Language milestones.
thank you and thank you for watching.